it's kind of strange around here in the sharpening shop. Everything seems to come in cycles. So this week we've sharpened a bunch of different scissors and pinking shears and stuff for clients on top of our regular shears for dog groomers and barbers and salons. So we got a pair of Fiskars pinking shears in, and they cut, but they're not cutting great. So you can see the kind of weird kind of thing. They'll cut at the tip a little bit, but they need to be sharpened. And so I'm going to show you how I sharpen Fiskars pinking shears. All right, so we've got our twice as sharp set up, and some people think that this is where you sharpen inside pinking shears. That is not the case. Pinking shears are sharpened on top of the blade. So we're going to do our scratch test. So I'm going to take our marker and put it all the way across the blade. My marker's about worn out. I need a new marker. And if you're watching my YouTube channel, I've got multiple videos of sharpening pinking shears on here. I seem to do the same stuff over and over again. It's hard to come up with anything creative. I like to make sure I put the clamp on the same side of the blade. So I've gone down 5 valleys from the tip to the 5th valley, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and pinking shears are 0 or negative. Do our scratch test. And that's about 0. I'm going to back it off just a little bit and see how that looks. That's a better grind. So that's all the way across the blade from the tip to the back. I want to make sure that does not move. So we're going to do a light pass. All the black is gone. Now, I'm going to take one more light pass, and we're going to stop at 2. That's all we're going to do right there. So let me flip it over. 5 valleys. The angle's exactly the same. This particular pair of Fiskars was 0. Looks good, looks real good. I'm gonna do another pass. And that's all there is to it. I don't use the honing wheel. What I am gonna do is use a nylon brush, and I'll be right back to get that. So what it is, I went and got my little nylon brush, and I just want to gently push any kind of burr back. That's all you got to do. Now I am going to open and close them, spread them apart, and they're hard to spread apart, that's for sure. Then open them, spread them apart, open them. Then I'm going to get my alcohol, get the marker off. They're clean. Now let's see how they cut. Here's our cloth. Oh man, that is just beautiful. Cutting through the tip, cuts all the way to the back. Crisp, clean, and wonderful. So the client will be super happy that the pinking shears are back to life again. So anyway, there's another video on how to sharpen pinking shears on the Wolff Industries Twice as Sharp. I hope y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. It does help our business grow. And I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.